Hi friends, Prasad here for JSP Creations, and today we have the review of the Lenovo ThinkPlus LivePods XT90 earbuds. So this is less than $20 earbuds. I bought this in Malaysia through Lazada for around 45 to 50 ringgits. So that's the pricing of this particular product. You may find it maybe slightly cheaper during discounts. Now, wanted to set the context right up front that because of the pricing of this particular product, you need to have your expectations set to that level, because what you pay is what you get end of the day. So with that expectation set, let's jump into the review. So let's first talk about the build quality of the particular earphone. The build quality is not bad, but definitely not a high quality product when you compare it to either the Apple's or even the Samsung or even the Huawei earbuds which is there, because of the price range, right? For what you pay, I think this build quality is decent enough. If you look at the opening, I like the fact that they have given a magnetic attachment here. So when you open and close, it automatically gets closed. So that's good addition here. Another good feature which they added here is a USB-C charging port, which I really appreciate because most of my accessories and equipments use USB-C, so it becomes very easier. So next we can talk about the Bluetooth coverage of the earpods. It has a decent coverage. When at clear line of sight, the earpods could cover in the range of around 25 to 30 feet cleanly without any dropouts. But when you cross 30 feet, definitely start seeing some of the dropouts happening. And if there are hindrances in between one room to another room and then you have walls in between and all, then the range definitely drops and you could hear some of the dropouts. But on a clear line of sight, this has definitely a good range to cover. Now next, let's look at the Bluetooth lag. This is one of the key aspects to look upon when you're looking for a wireless headset. Now, compared to a wired headset, wireless headset could have a bit of lag, and that's something which you would not find when you spend more money onto premium branded earphones. With the cheaper earphones, that's something to look out for. Now, I've compared this Lenovo earbuds with my Samsung earbuds, the first edition. Now with Samsung, I've never seen any lag, but with the Lenovo earbuds, there is a millisecond lag which I could notice. Again, on a normal usage, if you're not aware of lags and all, you wouldn't even realize that there is a lag. But when you start looking at keenly to do some testing and stuff like that, then you may notice there is a slight bit of lag which you can see when you keenly notice about this. Again, for day-to-day usage for a normal average customer, this shouldn't be a problem at all. You wouldn't notice this when you're watching videos and stuff, and definitely when you're hearing music, there shouldn't be an issue at all. Now let's talk about the volume of the earphone. You get good, decent volume out of this earphone. Most of the times, 50 to 60% volume is more than sufficient for you to actually hear good audio from the earphones. But this earphone does not have noise cancellation in it. So if you're trying to avoid surrounding noise and then trying to hear more clearly your audio or video, then you may have to up your volume to 90% or even 100%. And at that level, it may be slightly louder, but I did not see any distortion happening, and it gives you good volume output. Now let's talk about the fit of the earbuds. I've actually used this for quite a while. I did not have any issues fitting this. Sits nicely into your ears and then gives you a good comfort even for longer listening sessions. I've used these earbuds for walking and even running. I did not have any problem. It gives you that confidence and assurance that it would not fall away from your ears when you're doing runnings or even hardcore workouts. Now let's talk about the important thing, the audio quality from these earbuds. Now, I'm not an audiophile, so I've not used too many earphones for me to kind of comment. But with whatever I've used, the Apple wired earphones, the Samsung earbuds, I definitely see this audio almost on par with those branded earbuds. I've used it to watch videos, listen to Spotify music and stuff. The audio is very clear, clean, gives you enough volume, and you can definitely enjoy your music using these earbuds. In terms of audio quality, when you especially compare with a Samsung earbuds or an Apple one, I could definitely say it's slightly below par, especially when compared to the brand's one. but you would definitely not see a drastic difference between these brands and the Lenovo earbuds. So for what you pay, the quality of audio what you get is definitely good, and you will not regret buying this. Now, one thing which I definitely did not like and wouldn't recommend these earbuds for you is the microphone quality from these earbuds. The one purpose which I definitely had for these earbuds is to do video calls and get into conference calls, but the microphone quality is actually bad in this earphone. I wouldn't even say it is above average, it is on average or below. The quality of audio which you hear if you get from the other side of it is definitely bad. The voice is very much muffled, it is not clear, and I could definitely see there are some variations in the voice quality which the person listens from other side. So if you're looking out for a earbud, or if you're looking out to use these earbuds for your conference calls and doing and talking with people, then I would definitely not recommend this. But if you're looking at these earbuds for listening to music, watching videos and stuff for casual usage, this is definitely something you can buy and try. Okay, so in terms of features, this definitely comes with a tap to pause and play option, and long press to invoke Siri or Google. I think there are some of the features which is there. You do not have app support for you to customize what you do with the tap functionality and all, but I think this basic functionality is good enough, and I'm sure you will not expect more than this in a $20, less than $20 or a 50 ringgit earbuds. So in terms of feature, it is good enough, basic features, but I think it does work well. Coming to battery life, I've not really tested a battery life in specific, but it definitely holds good for a few days, and at least 3 to 4 hours of listening is definitely something which this would handle. It may handle more than that. As I said, I've not done a detailed testing there, apologies for that, but it would definitely handle easily 3 to 4 hours of listening. So I think that is a decent battery life for earbuds of this price. So friends, to conclude, if your need is to have a basic wireless earbud to listen to music, watch videos on YouTube on your mobile devices or your tablets, and not too much of using this for calling purposes, then I would definitely recommend the Lenovo X-T90 at this price point. You're getting enough features, good audio quality, and also decent build quality. I hope this would last me for a year or so, and for the price which you're paying, I think that is good enough. So friends, hope the review of the Lenovo X-T90 was useful to you. If you found value from this video, please give it a like and do subscribe for more videos coming your way. This is Prasad here, signing off for JSP Creations. Thank you for watching.